Video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Pandora. Pandora is a ransomware that attacks Windows computers and Windows files. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware encrypts the files and also adds a special extension to them. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening the files. But because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this Pandora ransomware may be injected into the computer. Then pretty soon customers realize that their files have been brutally changed, and whenever they try to open this specific file, they get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Pandora extension. The ransomware also places this scary message on the computer screen, indicating that the files are encrypted and that people need to pay the special ransom for file restoration. The ransomware also instructs the victims to contact the developers by this email address, but contacting these criminals, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom and not to contact them. We recommend you to check the task manager of your computer. If you find any suspicious processes running in the background, terminate them. Now, to remove this particular ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may download it through the Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Use this green Download Combo Cleaner button to download and install the software. After the installation, start the program and begin researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your Windows computer. The good thing about Combo Cleaner antivirus is its feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be under the protection. But this feature is the part of the premium license. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. We do recommend upgrading to Premium to delete these threats altogether and to have your files always protected in the future.